Welcome students. Today we will study chapter 3 adjective phrase and adjective clause. What is mean by adjective phrase? A group of words that does the work of an adjective is called adjective phrase. Now look at the pair of sentences. The mayor was a wealthy man. The mayor was a man of great wealth. The doctor was a kind man. The doctor was a man with kind nature. They lived in a stone house. They lived in a house built of stone. I like to see a smiling face. I like to see a face with a smile. In each of the above pair of sentences, we have first a single word describing a noun, wealthy, then a group of words describing the same noun, of great wealth. See, what is the difference between the two sentences? First sentence we have a single noun, single word describing a noun. Second sentence we have a group of words of great wealth describing a noun. So, a single word that describe a noun is adjective and a group of words that describe a noun is adjective phrase because it's just the verb of an adjective. Okay. The doctor was a kind man. Here we use single word kind to describe man. Okay. It is adjective. Or the doctor was a man with kind nature. Here we use a group of words with a kind nature to describe a doctor. It's an adjective phrase because it does the verb of an adjective. They live in a stone house. Stone. Here we use single word stone. It's an adjective. They lived in a house built of stone. It's a group of words to describe the house. It is an adjective phrase. I like to see a smiling face. Smiling is an adjective. With a smiling face is a adjective phrase. Okay. Now look at the following table. Wealthy man. It's a wealthy is an adjective. Of great wealth, phrase, adjective phrase. Kind man, adjective. Man with kind nature, adjective phrase. Stone house, adjective. House built of stone, adjective phrase. Smiling face, adjective. Face with a smile on it, adjective phrase. Look at some other adjective and adjective phrases. Note that they convey a same meaning. For example, a blue frog, adjective. A frog of blue color, adjective phrase. Heavy bag, adjective. A bag of heavy weight, adjective phrase. A blank page, adjective. A page with no writing on it, adjective phrase. A jungle track, adjective. A track through the jungle, adjective phrase. A blue-eyed girl, adjective. A girl with blue eyes, adjective phrase. A white elephant, adjective. Elephant with white skin, adjective phrase. Indian flag, adjective. A flag of India, adjective phrase. So students, a single word that describes a noun is called adjective and a group of words which describe a noun is called adjective phrase. Now comes the adjective clause. Adjective clause is a group of words which contain a subject and predicates of its own and does the work of an adjective. Okay, the group of words which contain a subject and predicates of its own and does the work of an adjective is called adjective clause. Look at the examples. The umbrella with a broken handle is mine. The umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. The umbrella with a broken handle. With a broken handle is a phrase or a clause. It's an adjective phrase because it does not contain a subject and predicate. In second sentence, which has a broken handle. It's a noun adjective phrase because it contains a which is as a subject and has a broken handle as a predicate. So, adjective phrase is one which contain a subject and predicates of its own. It is of two types, defining adjective clause, non-defining. Defining adjective clause is a clause that describes, limits and define more clearly the antecedent noun or pronoun. For example, the man who had cheated me was arrested by the police yesterday. Who had cheated me? It's a defining adjective clause. The boy which you see on the table cost me 20. The book which you see on the table cost me 20 rupees. Which you see on the table is a defining adjective clause. Now comes non-defining adjective clause. Non-defining adjective clause is a clause that merely gives some additional information. For example, the teacher sang for the boy who came at once. Okay, the teacher sang for the boy who came at once. It means after who we can add and he. Who and he came at once. I give a rupee, which was all I had with me. It may be written as I had given a rupee and it was all I had with me. So defining adjective defines the defining adjective clause define the sentence clearly, and non-defining merely defines. It means it does not include any additional information. Non-defining clauses are separated from the main clauses by commas, like my brother who is a doctor has gone to Japan. There is no comma. My brother, comma, who is a doctor, comma, has gone to Japan. In first sentence, my brother who is a doctor has gone to Japan. It means the speaker has several brothers and one out of them is gone to Japan. And in sentence 2, it means the speaker has only one brother who has gone to Japan. Okay. So defining clause defines the antecedent clearly. It does not define the antecedent more clearly. Okay. It is separated from the main clause by commas. An adjective clause qualifies noun and pronoun in the main clause. Okay, now look at the sentences. I know the place where he was born. Where he was born is an adjective clause. It qualifies the noun place. He that climbs too high is an adjective clause. It qualifies the pronoun he. He that climbs too high is sure to fall. She is the girl whose bicycle has been stolen. Whose bicycle has been stolen is a noun clause. It qualifies the noun girl. The chair with a broken leg is mine. With a broken leg is an adjective clause. It qualifies the noun chair. So, I hope you all have understood what is meant by adjective clause and adjective phrase. Thank you.